Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. Today is a clean with me day. I gotta mop my floors. I haven't mopped them in a couple of days. And I want y'all to know that when I do my cleaning of my house, I always reflect. That's just me. And I'm steady trying to adjust this camera right. But be grateful for the things that you have. As I mop my floors and clean my house might not be the big mansion that a lot of people have, but I'm grateful for what I have, because I think about some people who don't even have a roof over their head, that's living in their cars and staying on the bridges and stuff like that. And I reflect on that, and I thank God for that. I always thank Him every day, and I want you guys to thank Him every day. No matter what you have, be grateful for it, because a lot of people would love to have what you have. A lot of people would love to have a roof over their head. And I know it's a busy time of season where everybody is stressful with this Christmas shopping and getting gifts and all that. But in some, it's a sad season, because it's a sad season for me because I lost my mom back in 2000. So around this time of year, it's kind of sad. It's bittersweet because, for the grandkids, I love them and I love to see them happy. But for me, it's hard. It's hard because my mom is not here. And it hurts a lot. And I know some families out there, it hurts them also, because a lot of people are gone. But we have the hope and belief that we will see them again someday. But I want y'all to enjoy the video